This is icon number 2685. It's a 300-ton up-acting press. The press has electrically heated Platens. So has an Allen Bradley PLC and a Allen Bradley keypad on the front of the panel. We're going to run it through an auto cycle here where the press will go up and clamp. We have 35 seconds on the cure time. When it times out, the press will open up. We'll then show it closing, and we will break the light curtains. You'll see that the press stops. You'll have to hit a light curtain reset button. Once that's reset, it can be run again. You can hit the buttons again and restart it. Go ahead. 2-pound buttons. Activate the buttons and the press moves by itself. Press has a linear transducer on it to tell the press where it is at all times, tell the control system. It's clamped under tonnage right now. Got the light curtains on the front, mesh guarding on the sides and the back. The power unit's totally enclosed with sheet metal. Press is set up for 240 volt. It's got, we're running it with a transformer here, so you can run it with 480. You'll just have to use a transformer. All right, now it'll close, start closing it and break the light curtains. Press stops. The red light on the panel shows that the curtains are broken. You hit a reset button, and then you can go and you can go up, keep going up. Can you break them going down when it's opening?
Yes, it'll stop.
Same thing when the press is going down. Reset the light curtains and then it'll open back to the bottom. That completes icon number 2685.